Yo. This morning I feel good, bro. Feel like we're gonna have a good trading day today. Even if I lose, I feel like I'm having a good trading day today, bro. I feel completely aware. I actually woke up on time. Feel good right now, bro. Let's see what we heading into. Working up all my levels. We got 1 minute before market open right now. And we only taking some good trades today, alright? Let's see. Now we only gonna go for trades that give us around 20 points on the trade. And I only want to go for the more consistent trades today. Because as y'all can see, we kind of close to that max loss limit right now. So if I take a trade, bro, it's gonna have to be a good one. I want to let price move around a little bit how I want to move around. Because right now we at a point where price can really do either way. I like to see how this 1 minute candle closes. We're starting to see some upside momentum after touching into these levels right here, which means that we might come back to the upside. Now, the question is, how far to the upside will we reach? 2 minute and 3 minute, we can pay attention to that. Obviously, higher time frames hold higher power. If we get a 2 minute candle closure below this, then I think I'll be fine to enter that. Not a candle closure, but entry setup off of this. I don't want to take a 30-second entry based on a 2 minute model, because if that 2 minute candle don't close, then it still got a lot of time to be able to play around and all that good stuff. I might not get an entry before price gets the chance to shoot down, and if that is the case, then so be it. Especially since we so low in price right now. But something that you realize over time, once you have a setup, a certain lens that you look at the market through, and it actually works, it's almost like not a benefit to try to look at the market any type of different way. Sometimes I be trying to take trades based on other trade ideas that really don't align with how I look at the market, right? And since that's the case, I would lose trades off of that, and it would throw off my consistency that I would have if I was just trading my regular trade ideas. I can just trade what makes the most sense to me and what shows the most consistency for me. But it's just part of me. Sometimes I be want to know, like, why does this work like the way it works? How does this work? How does that work? So that's what be tempting me to take trades based off other things. I be feel like it's things about the market that I don't truly know. And I be want to truly know the things about the market that I don't know, instead of sticking to what I do know. Oh, and recently when it came down to my trader, a lot of people have been saying things like, when I trade, the way I trade, I'm gambling. The way I trade is not legitimate, and all of these good things. Let's just say this. I've actually learned a good amount of my strategy from a couple of different places and put it together to create my own trading style. So on one end, I've learned some of my strategy from somebody who's already a successful trader. They scalp NQ, almost every single trading day. They do very well. Some of my strategy also comes from my own personal experience. I used to trade stocks, right? So just the way that I look at trading as it is has came from, I guess you could say, the lens that I used to look at stocks through. I used to have a very good win rate on stocks. I'm talking about 70% and higher. And then third, I actually have a homeboy. He trades a very similar strategy to the one that I trade. And a lot of his strategy, I pulled in some of the concepts and some of the information that he uses to trade. And something that I like about his strategy so much is that some of the things that I use on my stock strategy, he pulled from me, and he used it on his future strategy. Whenever he explains something to me, or whenever he shows something to me, it's so easily digestible to me, and it makes so much sense why it works. Oh, and just because I'm trading on a lower time frame chart than a lot of other people would choose to trade on, does not mean that I'm gambling. I'm literally just trading on a lower time frame chart. And then you can prioritize the actual in real time market movements. Like, I don't have to try to predict what's going to happen over the course of 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. I can just predict what's going to happen in the next 4 minutes. So we've only got one potential setup so far. This maybe could have been the second one, but it's still a more risky entry. Price's momentum is so insane. because it don't look like price want to slow down right now no time soon. Like, just look at how we've been moving since market has even opened. Everything to the downside.
Order
Okay,
filled.
no, that's too close. That's too close. That's too close.
Order
That's too
filled.
close. No. I just took an insane loss off of that. That was wild. Oh my god. I'm literally making bum mistakes right now. All right. We'll see what price does when it gets up to here. I'm willing to take this entry if we get a push through of this. If we get a push through below this low, I'm taking the entry. I can't see.
Order filled.
All right. I can't see. All right, you can give us that. All right, we hold runners.
Order filled.
Okay, that's fine. We're supposed to be up 100 right now on the day. Let's see what price does when it hits this area. I'll take a push through trade.
Order filled.
Boom, that's to push through right there. Let's see. We put it at 20 points. Once we hit 20 points on the trade, we go break even. Or actually, for consistency purposes, we'll go ahead and take out right there. Let's close up on our risk a little bit. Our price does manage to come all the way down to here, bro. We're going to lose that trade anyway. So we ain't going to force nothing.
Order filled.
All right, that's fine.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Wait, what was that? Can I answer the trade?
Order filled.
Bro, we already like so close to losing the account, bro. I'm going to just gamble the rest out. I'm going to go in a trade that's based. I'm going to go and take a trade that's based on the direction that price is currently going. We're just gonna see what price does, bro. Yeah, we're gonna gamble the account out, bro. We're going a $2,000 trade. Let's see if we can get it. We're currently at 1,000. We go break even, 1,300. Okay, so is that what we should have been doing? Should we just gamble? Like, is that the method? Look at this. We're at 1,500. We secured 500. Let's see if we can go ahead and get the momentum down. Need to see it move with some speed. Bro, did I just bring the whole challenge back, bro? I think I might have just brought the whole challenge back. Can we go ahead and get the expansion? Bro,
Order filled.
I actually just brought this entire challenge back based on gamble. Bro, what? That's actually insane. And then I literally missed my entry that I was trying to go for anyway. I just max loaded the contract, but I did still enter based on one of my entry models. So the entry I was trying to take was actually gonna be right here. And the stop loss really didn't matter. I was only $200 away. Like, if I was going to lose the account, I was going to lose the account. Aiming for this target down here, which price actually will come down to here soon, most likely. It might even come down to here now, right? Aiming for that orange line, which you see price just hit it, right? Can we call it right there? I think so. Previous episode, full playlist. Tap into it. I'm about to go lift a little weights. You feel me?